You're going to get your clay back today, and it has been in the kiln, so it is very breakable and has been baked super hard. We're going to use the glow in the dark oil crayons today to add color onto our fish. I have started this one, so you can use all the colors if you'd like, or just a couple. Our job with the crayons, though, is to show off all those beautiful textures we made. So I had pushed in some circles. I'm going to add color to those. I'm going to try to add color around that texture too. With the oil crayons, we still want to push hard. If we go really light and fast, that little bit of color is just going to get covered up when we put it in the black ink. So our job with the oil crayons is to press hard. And I know that when we press hard, I'm still going to miss spots with the clay because it's so bumpy. I can hear the sound it's making on those bumps. That's okay if you don't get everything. Those spots are going to turn black. So I'm finishing up adding color all over. Ooh, if I just go back and forth in this spot, I'm not getting in all those spots. I might have to go a different direction, still pushing hard, knowing I'm going to miss spots, and that's okay. That's why we're going to use the paint. I'm on the last part. Remember, that's probably not going to show up very well. If I use my muscles and push a little bit harder, that dark color is going to look really nice in the black light. Around the eye, I actually used white. I know it's hard to see, but that white will stay white. If I left it, it would turn black. So anything that doesn't have color is going to be black. If you want to add decorations in the back, you can. Maybe I'll do a couple of stripes so I can show you all of the fun colors we have. You could trace over your name with a color. You could write something on the back. You could draw something on the back. I just have some fun stripes. When you're all done coloring and you've pushed hard and you have a lot of color showing off all your textures, you're going to meet Mrs. Cleary at the counter. She's going to be wearing gloves and has paper spread out so that our table area stays clean at the counter. I'm going to do this right here to show you what it looks like when we put our fish into the black ink. So the bucket is an ice cream bucket. I am going to have some towels to dry your fish off. So I'm going to put it in the bucket. I'm going to use a paintbrush to kind of rub that paint all over the fish. I'm going to do the same thing on the back. That paint, it looks like it's covering everything up, but it's not. Trust me. I'm making sure I'm getting all those areas. It looks like I have black ink everywhere. Now, I might rinse your fish a little bit, and I will pat it dry. It's looking like I'm going to have to rinse this fish a little bit. I'm rubbing off some of that paint. I'm going to go give it a little bit of a rinse. Look at that. You can see my fish outline on the towel. All right, next to that bucket of ink, I will also have a bucket of water so that we will give your fish a little rinse so that you can see your colors brighter. So mine, I might rinse even a little bit more. Your colors are going to show up awesome. Let's take a look at the back. Look at those stripes. Very cool. That is how we're adding color onto our fish today.